Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about new scenario in DAX. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding on different technologies like SQL Server development, performance tuning, Power BI and DAX, and integration services. Now we'll go to the Power BI desktop. There you can understand today's video demo. So for timing, already I have designed the report. So I'll try to explain what are the steps I have followed to design this report. So here the scenario is I have designed the custom slicer. So it means that, for example, we can see that so in the slicer we have the different kind of values. For example, today, yesterday, last 7 days sales, last 15 days, current month, current quarter, and current year. So based on this selection, I need to display the respective date sales. So it means that, for example, if I click on today means I need to show only the today date sales. If I click on yesterday means so I need to show only yesterday. If I click on 7 days means I need to show last 7 days sales, and 15 means 15 days. Likewise, I need to display so in the report. So how do you do that? So that is the actual requirement. Okay, now we'll try to understand so how I created this table. So let's go to the data view. So click on the custom table. Now we can see that I have created these two columns for this table. So one is the custom table, another one is value. So basically why I have created this column is means because it's not sorting properly. So that is the reason for sorting purpose I have taken this is as a helping column. Okay, so now so same thing I have taken as a slicer. So based on the selection, the chart is going to change dynamically. And also what are the total value I'm displaying in the card visual. Okay, so let's try to do the demo so that we can understand whether it's giving properly or not. Okay, so I'm just clicking on today. So today means it's showing so July 31st. So basically I want to tell you one thing. So in my date table, so the dates are from 2001 January 1st onwards up to December 31st 2004. Okay, from January 1st 2000 onwards December 31st 2004. But when it comes to my fact table, so the sales are July 1st 2000 onwards July 31st 2004. Okay, so based on that I am trying to take the last date based on the fact table. Okay, now I'll try to see that. So if I click on so today means it's giving the what are the latest date in the fact table containing sales. I'm just writing that in the fact table. So the sales up to July 31st, so that's why I'm retaining the July 31st. If I click on so yesterday means I'm displaying July 30th. Okay, so if I click on last 7 days means I'm displaying from July 31st to 7 days back. In case if I click last 15 days means from July 31st to up to so July 17th. Again, current month means what are the latest month fact table contains sales, that month I am taking as a current month. Okay, let me click it. Now you can see that so this is the current month sales. I'm trying to show entire July month. For example, current quarter means so same thing. What are the current month we are getting same thing. Why? Because so current quarter means July quarter starting from the so third quarter. It means July, August, September. But in my table, fact table, the current quarter sales only contain July month only. So that is the reason we are able to show only July sales. In case if I select current year means from January 1st up to July 31st, we are showing here. Okay, so likewise we are displaying the based on the selection in the slicer, we are trying to show dynamically. Okay, even you can notice one thing, so based on the selection we are changing the color also. For example, if I click on today means one color, yesterday means different color, and the last 7 days means different colors. 15 days different color, again current month, current quarter, current year. Okay, based on the selection it's giving dynamically. Now we'll try to understand what kind of expressions, what kind of logic I have written so for getting this expected output. So basically the code will be a little more lengthy maybe, so we can write better way also, but so for timing I have written the lengthy code, so we will try to see that. Go to test. Okay, so here, so I have declared many variables here. So the first variable is main value. Here, what are the value we are selecting, I am trying to capture in this variable. Okay, again I have created another variable. Here I am trying to get the max date. Okay, in the fact table, if you notice, you can see that I am trying to take the what is the max date in the fact table. Again, so I have declared one more variable. Here I am trying to take the total sales. Okay, here I am trying to declare the total sales by passing max value. It means that today date sales. Okay, so this variable is giving the today's date. It means that in the fact table, what are the latest date? It means that July 31st 2004 sales it will give. Again, this is one yesterday sales because I am trying to subtract minus 1. Okay, July 31st minus 1 means July 30th. Again, this date 7 days sales. I have written some condition here, so for getting last 7 days sales. Again, for 15 days, this is the condition. Okay, likewise we have written the different condition. Now we can see that, so while returning the final variable I have written a lot of if conditions. If main value is today means I am returning this variable. If main value is yesterday means this one. If main value is last 7 days means this one. So likewise I have written the multiple conditions, so that's why code will be a little lengthy. So maybe you can write better way also. Yes, there are many ways we can write the same expression very short form also. So going forward we'll try to make it so different way how to write this code, but for timing, so I have written like this, but it's working so perfectly. I mean, so it's working dynamically, so no issue at all. Okay, so I hope you like this video. So if you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys.